Okay, let's talk about this manicure table, starting with assembly because I know that's a big question. It took me and my daughter about 2 hours to put together, so it's not super quick, but honestly, it was very straightforward. Everything was clearly labeled with numbers and letters, and all the holes were pre-drilled correctly, and nothing felt off or misaligned. We were able to do the entire thing with just the tools included, a basic Allen wrench and screwdriver, so you don't need anything fancy. I do think one person could do it, but having two people definitely makes it easier and faster. Now, once it was set up, the biggest difference for us was the organization. I mean, this is embarrassing, guys. Take a look at this desk. But before this, we had nail supplies everywhere, polished tools, random clutter. And this completely changed that. Between the four fabric drawers, the open shelves, and the tiered storage on top, everything finally had a place. It makes the whole space feel cleaner, more functional, and honestly more professional. The desk itself felt sturdy too. It doesn't feel cheap or wobbly, which is really important if you're actually working with someone. The surface is a good size, so you have room to work without feeling cramped. And you can still keep your most used tools within reach on the top shelves. There's also a built in charging station underneath, which is a total bonus, especially if you're using a lamp or need to keep your phone plugged in while you're working. That is a three-pronged plug and a USB port, guys. We're actually planning to rotate the desk perpendicular to the wall when my daughter is working on someone so it functions more like a real salon setup, which I love that it's so versatile enough to do that. And if you're wondering, yes, you could definitely use this for other beauty treatments too, not just for nails. Overall, if you're dealing with clutter and want something that helps you stay organized, looks clean, and actually functions well for real use, this is a really solid option.